Homebuyers, have you heard? There are more newly built homes available right now than usual. Hi, I'm Deb Grimme with Edina Realty, and the best part is that a lot of these new builds have a smaller footprint, which may come with a lower price too. And just in case this has you wondering, this doesn't mean builders are overbuilding. There's still a long way to go to make up for the years of underbuilding. Also, many builders offer incentives to buyers, such as buying down the interest rate for a lower rate and paying part of the buyer's closing cost. These incentives make owning a newly built home much more affordable than you might think. Ready to explore what's out there? Reach out to me and my team, Deb Grimme, Edina Realty, and HomesInTwinCities.com, providing personal service and delivering remarkable results. We can go check it out together.